Good morning, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of Sasken Technology Limited. You can see about the company. Company is dealing in the electronic enterprises device. And now, okay, you can sorry. Sasken will focus on the area 5G, Internet of Things, robotics, AI/ML, V2X, blockchain, success story. Okay, you can see about the all recent actually announcement of the company. Here you can see the companies dealing in digital product engineering. What is the digital? You can just read that. Value creation, discovering new opportunity, business outcome, seed to harvest, engagement, ideate, conceptualize, harmonize, sustain, platform, mobility, analytics, IoT, blockchain, DevOps, digital testing. A lot of technical things company is doing. This is from IT sector. So let's see more fundamental of the company. So you can see the chart of the company. Last fall down, the companies give ultimate return from 400 rupees to 1385 rupees. What a bull run. Now you can see the delivery company is showing 40-30% delivery. You can see the company is paying consistent dividend. This is the indicator right now showing neutral. Check with the right person, technical person before buying stock. Companies from IT sector, IT software, price 1385, market cap is 2000 crore. Small cap IT company, price to earning per share is 79.91. Okay, PE 17.34, industry PE 37, very low PE right now. Company is having very good opportunity to increase more further. Book value per share 397, price to book value 3.49, dividend yield 1.8, number of share 1.5, face value 10. Okay, you can see the quarterly result of the company. Company sales is flat since last few years. Okay, last maybe March 2021 down. EBITDA is growing ultimate. Company is doing something to increase their EBITDA, reduce their expenditure and improve their EBITDA, improve their margin. Company is having very low interest. Profit before tax is also increasing. PAT is also increasing. Very good sign. Solid company. You can check. This is this is the annual result. Now check quarterly. Now it is coming also reducing every quarter. But if you check the EBITDA, you will be surprised. Company even reducing their sales but increasing their EBITDA. Okay, you can see profit before tax is also improving. Profit after tax also, net profit is also improving. Now check the ratio. Company return on equity 22, return on capital 28, return on asset 17.99. Efficiency, company increase their book value. There is some small drop in book value. After that improving 375. Number working capital is, you can see companies having 41 to 47 to 46 working flat working capital. Now you can see about the balance sheet of the company. Wow, what a good sign. Company is reducing their equity capital. Very good sign. This kind of company we should invest there, who reduce their equity capital. Reserve is also growing. After there is a drop, again increasing. Okay, current liability is nothing, 0.38. Non-current liability is nothing. Current liability is 97. Okay, where you can see short-term borrowing is nothing, almost debt-free company. Non-current asset is 418. Current asset is 244. Very good sign. You can see in the current asset what are there? Cash in bank 52 crore. Short-term investment 70 and sundry debitor 66. Companies creating lot of sales after reducing the expenditure, interest, depreciation, tax. Company is still triggering 114 crore profit. Company is having healthy cash flow. Very good sign. What about the promoter? What they are doing? They are reducing their stake. Indian promoter reducing their particular position in this company. Not a good sign, but one of the positive sign that Promoter who are sitting in the foreign, they are increasing their stake. Very is one of the positive sign. See 21.37 to 21.4, 21.4, very good sign. Indian promoter reducing and foreign promoter buying, very good sign for the company. FII holding intact, increasing slowly in this company, believing the overall activity and of the business of this company. DIR reduced their equity, no problem. Non-institution also basically having full faith on this company. Who are the shareholder? You can read about Mehta. Okay, other public holding is Gothi Corporation, retirement plan, Duke University. Foreign, you can see Modi, Modi's are holding this. This IPF also holding. Okay, you can read about the more mutual fund is having. Scan, you can read about the Scan company, high return on equity, improved return on equity, no leverage, consistent dividend paying, ultimate company. Okay, hope this video helped you to understand the quality of the company Sasken.